Hi guys, do you know you can convert your personal Facebook account into a professional mode and start monetizing and making money from your daily posts and you posting your pictures or posting videos on your channel? Let me teach you how to monetize your Facebook account. I'd like you to stay from the beginning of this video to the end of this video so you can get all updates about how to do this and start making money from each post you make and start getting followers that can react to your account. Before now, we used to have separate accounts whereby you have a page that it can be used for your business and you have your personal accounts which is for you for your friends and family, just like what every one of us do. But now Facebook has upgraded and made it clear to us now that we can now convert our personal Facebook account into a professional mode. Why this is very good is because it helps your friends and the people that have been following your personal account to now know what you do in your business and help you get engagement quickly before people that are not within your reach can start engaging with your post. Before now, when you have your page most times when you put post on your page, the algorithm doesn't favor you so much because you make some post and it's very hard for you to get likes until you do promotion. But the advantage of this is when you make a post, your friends already see whatever you've posted, either about your business or you want to be a public figure and you are reposting what people are doing. Your friends engage first with your post, then it can now reach a larger audience. And now with this, you can start making money when you meet the basic standard Facebook has given you, which is a number of followers and ability to you to have some watch hour view. And the good thing part about this is every step and level you need to cross before you start making money or earning money from your platform, Facebook will guide you through. So you are going to have a level 1, the level 2, the level 3. So before further ado, I would like to show you how you can do this both on your phone and how to do it on your laptop. I want to also say a very big thank you for all our subscribers. I'm shocked in 2 weeks we're almost hitting 500 subscribers. I would like you all to help. Also share this page, share our videos to your friends, encourage them to subscribe so that before the end of this month we are going to hit 2,000 subscribers. We can do it and I trust you to help us achieve this. So before further ado, let's see how we can convert our personal account into a professional account. So from here, when you open your Facebook account, you're going to have this on your dashboard. Then you click on your name. So my name is Falade Luashino. And then one of the guidelines I'm going to give you and the tips so that you'll be able to see ability for you to turn on your professional mode. You would make sure that you are not using a nickname. Make sure that you're using your full name because when you want to put in your detail for your NN, you're going to get an email from Meta that you need to put in your task code and for them to be able to clear you for payment. They want to make sure that the name that you've provided correlates with the one on your tax code. So make sure you're using your name, no nickname. These are the reasons why some people don't have the ability to convert to professional mode. So just a quick tip. So now you can see my this is how you're going to see when you convert to your professional mode. You're going to see followers instead of friends. Before now you have to use to you have your friends on your page, but now you're going to see followers and people that you are following. So how to do this is when you have this is on the desktop, so just click on this three icon. Is also applicable when you're using your phone too. So when I click my three icon and you scroll down, you can see that I have the ability to turn off professional mode. But because I've already turned on my professional mode, that's why you're saying is having turned off. So for you, what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn on your professional mode. So immediately you turn on your professional mode, it will automatically convert to your friends, to your followers and people that are following you. So I haven't done that. Welcome to your professional mode. And I'm going to say big congratulations because you're on your way to start making money from your Facebook. Now, we can see that when I scroll down, now I have the ability to boost my posts. So it means I can now boost my posts. So this is one of the good advantage that you are now on professional mode. So when you post a content that you feel you want more people to see, once you click on boost posts, it's going to give you the ability for you to boost your post. Is going to ask you for your payments and the key things you need to put there so you can see. So select the post. It's going to suggest the post you want to click. Then I can promote this to get more engagement. Now, how you also know when your Facebook has finally been converted is you are going to see a word icon on people's Facebook page that already be converted to professional accounts. Then I'm going to share you another video. Just keep following this channel whereby you can also increase your followers organically, and you can also do that inorganically by boosting your post. So now if you want to see insights about your post, now you can also see insights about the post. You can see when you click on insights, you'll be able to see how many people has engaged. You can see this post has reached 392 people. I just converted mine just 2 weeks ago. Then you're going to check the amount of engagement. You can keep boosting the post. Then if you go back to the main icon after you've converted, you can also go through your professional dashboard. This is one of the things I want you to see. So see, just within 2 weeks that I've converted mine. The few posts I've made, which is the Facebook is going to advise you to make some reels, for you to also do some public posts. You're going to see it in each level. The requirements is going to give you a tick. Then you're going to even see their tutorials to guide you on how to do this properly. So you can see the few posts I've made now within the past 28 days. I've been able to reach 1,200 people. I've gotten 706 engagement, which is pretty cool because I've not done any inorganic boosting yet. Then I've been able to get new followers. Then you can see my level 3 step is almost completed, so I just need to make some posts. But on the left hand side, you can see you can view your audience. You can know the age range of your audience. This is going to guide you when you want to boost your post. So you can see that those that are engaging with my posts more are people within 25 to 34 years old. My location, people are coming more from Nigeria, Ibadan is showing me where the location people are from. So if I want to re-strategize and get more followers from probably in the diaspora or people in the UK where I am, I need to just when I'm doing my ad, I need to be specific about my location, because I'm originally from Nigeria, so that's why most of the friends I've been reacting, they are from this location. But if I want to now boost my post and I want to attract audience from other country, what I need to do is I need to be careful about putting my location. Then if you want to run ad now, what you need to go is to go to your ad center. This is where you'll be able to run your ad. I'll drop a link whereby you're going to see a full video on how to run ad on Facebook, or you just make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn your notification bell, and you're going to see videos on how to run proper ads on Facebook that's going to convert, so you don't just waste your money. Many people say they've been running ads and they've not been getting results. It's because you're not doing it the right way, so just stay tuned. Then if you go down, you can see all your payouts. If you click on payouts, you see how much you have earned so far. Because it's a new page, definitely I don't have any payouts now. Then the beautiful thing about this professional dashboard is you are going to get guideline of how to do everything. Facebook is very good at this, and one of the reasons why they are doing this is because they want to keep their audience. TikTok is now taking most of their audience, so they want to keep audience on their platform. So you can also earn achievements. Then they are going to guide you when you start making money. So they are going to send you a mail, and that mail, make sure you fill your NI number, that's your national insurance number, your tax code. Make sure you carefully fill it. Then they're also going to ask you that who is going to be your next of kin. So probably there's a demise of the owner of the page who is going to start earning. Make sure you also put the person Facebook account, probably your daughter, your sister, anybody you trust so well, because if you're not there anymore and they're already making money, they are going to transfer the money to the person. So I believe you'll be able to learn from this video. Try and convert your account to a professional account now and start posting. Follow the guidelines. Make sure you cross your level 1, your level 2 to the point you start earning. So it varies for different people. So just make sure that you stay tuned on this channel for you to also get updates on how to increase your followers, how to get more engagement, and how to post engaging content that's going to drive traffic to your channel. Thank you so much, and see you once again. Don't forget to subscribe to the video. For you to have watched to the end of this video, that means you are one of my top fans. I'm giving you kudos, and on this channel we'll be doing some giveaway and helping small scale business to grow very soon. We'll be giving out some funds to help them grow their business. So make sure that you're recommending this channel to any small scale business owner, anybody that you know wants to grow his business, because that is why Business Media Box is here, and we got you covered. Thank you, and see you once in our next video.